This is our little doggy, and she loves ice. Watch this. You ready, Snoodles? Here it comes again. You ready? She just loves ice. I spit it out to her and she eats it. It's hilarious. Ready, Snow? Here it comes. Here it comes. Ready? Want some more? Here it comes. We've been watching the TV, and she's been whining because she wanted me to spit her some more, and I was waiting for commercial. Here we go. Here it comes. Ready? Here it comes. Come here. Okay, last one. You ready? Here it comes. Oops, that one didn't go very far. It was big. Okay, that's enough. Come here. Say bye-bye. Snoodles, come here. Come here. Come here. Say bye. Aww. Here we go. Snoodle. She's funny. Here we go, Snoodles. Here we go. Here we go. Snow. You ready?